Good morning, children. Children, as we learned in the first video that cell is the building block of life, let us continue with the cell as a fundamental unit of life. The building wall is made up of numerous bricks. In the similar manner, a beehive is composed of numerous hexagonal units. Some of the organisms are represented by a single cell. Therefore, they show a simple organization. The basic functional unit of an organism is called a cell. Structure of a cell represents the arrangement of parts or organelles in a cell. Function is the activity of each part or organelle in a cell. Cells are the basic building block of an organism. Likewise, human body is made up of animal cell and plant is made up of plant cell. The two types of organism on the basis of number of cell are unicellular and multicellular organism. Unicellular, the organism that are made up of single cell and may constitute a whole organism are named as unicellular organism. Example, amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, which can be seen with the help of microscope. Bacteria are also one-cell unicellular organism. Multicellular organism, the organism which are composed of collection of cells that assume function in a coordinated manner with different cells specialized to perform particular tasks in the body or multicellular organism. The cells are organized into tissue, organ and organ cell system in a multicellular organism. Macroscopic organisms are visible and consist of many cells. The body of macroscopic organism involves various functions. You can see cells of onion and human through a microscope. Onion and man are example for multicellular organism. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells. Multicellular organisms like people are made up of many cells. Cells are considered the fundamental unit of life. The cell in complex multicellular organisms like people are organized into tissue groups of similar cells that work together on a specific task. Cell to organism. The cell is a basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell is a building unit of living organism. You can see in a hand how many types of cells are there to work together to perform its function. So, cell is known as a basic unit of life. Tissues. Tissue is a group of cells organized or for a specific function. Tissues have following features like same shaped cells or different shaped cells to perform a common function. Human and other animals are made up of nervous, epithelial, connective and muscular tissue. Plants have transport, protective and ground tissue. Organ. A collection of different tissues work together to perform a specific function or functions is called as organ. Human body has different organs like stomach, eye, heart, lungs, etc. are made up of different type of tissue. Plant have organs such as leaves, stem and root. Organ system. Many organs together form an organ system which is concerned with a specific function. For example, respiratory system which has organ like nostril, nasal chamber, windpipe and lungs that helps in the process of respiration. In a plant, the root system constitutes of primary root, secondary root and tertiary root which does the function of conduction, water, mineral and also fixation. Organism. Many types of organ system function together in a body. Example, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system, etc. Plant and animal cell comparison. Why do plant cells differ from animal cell? They differ from each other because they have to perform different function. Let us see how they differ from one another. Animal cells are generally small in size. It has cell wall is absent. Plastids are absent except in case of protozoa and euglena. Vacuoles are many, small and temporary. They have centrosome and centriole. In plant cell, they are large than animal cell. Plasma membrane of plant cell is surrounded by rigid cell wall of cellulose. Plastids are present. They have a permanent and large central sap vacuole. They lack centrosome and centrioles. In the next video, we will learn about the human cell related to function.